Unleash a whole new dimension of mobile storytelling by capturing both front and back camera views simultaneously. Ever wished you could show your reaction and the epic view at the same time? Well, you can. While most phones only let you use one camera at a time in the native app, there are fantastic third-party apps that unlock this dual camera magic. Let's dive into how you can achieve this. The first step is to pick the right app. Popular choices include Switcher Cam and Double Take, both available on most app stores. These apps are specifically designed for this purpose. Once you've downloaded and opened your chosen app, you'll usually see a preview from both cameras right away. The most common option is split screen mode. This divides your phone's screen, typically horizontally or vertically, showing the feed from your front camera on one side and your rear camera on the other. You can usually customize this layout. Tap around in the app settings or on the screen itself to see if you can switch between horizontal and vertical splits, or even adjust the size of each window. Another exciting option is picture-in-picture. Here, your main recording will be from the rear camera, and a smaller, movable window will display your front-facing camera feed simultaneously. With picture-in-picture, you can often tap and drag the smaller window to place it wherever you like on the screen, or even resize it to get the perfect framing. This technique opens up tons of creative possibilities. Imagine vlogging your adventures, showing your unboxing process with your genuine reactions, or even capturing behind-the-scenes footage with a more dynamic perspective. Start experimenting with these dual camera apps and elevate your mobile content creation today.